Brand your business with an email address. A domain name on the internet is like a street address for your house or business. Use your email address to brand your business by using your website name. Example: do you think your name at AOL, at Gmail, Facebook are representing your business to its fullest respect? Think about this. You at your website businessname.com. Do you think that has a good sound? A better sound? Think it's a good idea? This is simple enough to do yourself. Now, if you require a service that you can send out a message using your personal business domain name as email, this service is amazingly, reasonably cheap, priceless. Now watch this.
Pappy says more low-cost advertising can be done using your business domain name for your email. Email isn't just the foundation for your internal and customer communication, it's also crucial to your branding efforts. Build your business identity, get live expert help, grab your email anywhere, receive only the email you want. Build your business identity. Put your company name in front of customers and prospects, suppliers, vendors, and partners with every email you send. Get mobile email access from any smart mobile device, perfect for business class email or using your personal domain. Get fast, professional, personalized email for yourself, your team, or the whole office. Take a quick tour. GoPappyGo.com.
If you found value in my message today, please subscribe because I got more valuable help coming your way. Thank you very much.